Hi guys, I'm Igor. I provide market commentary before market opens and my stock picks and option picks for the day. Today is January 24th, 2020, and here's what's happening. Boy, this market is strong. I mean, nothing can take it down. The virus, any events, the impeachment, nothing. I mean, the impeachment, nobody cares about that because everybody knows that President Trump will be acquitted in Senate. But the virus, I would expect that the market would have a stronger reaction to the virus outbreak in China. And it's a coronavirus that killed 26 people, pneumonia type virus. And basically China quarantined right now 10 cities in China, and about 30 to 35 million people are under quarantine right now in China. I can't leave. Transportation is down. Everything is down, and it's a bad situation. I mean, if this turns like a global epidemic, this could change a lot of people's minds. But right now, people think that this is contained and this is restricted only to China. So that's why the markets are pretty much ignoring this virus, and the markets are up, at least in United States. So futures are higher, and on the corporate side, we're looking at several earnings. First of all, Intel. Intel reported last night spectacular earnings. They beat by 25 cents. They reported $1.50 versus $1.25 expected. Revenue was $1 billion higher than expected. So they gave strong guidance, and it's not like Intel because they usually give very conservative guidance, and they raised their dividend by 5%. So this stock is higher, INTC. Okay. This stock is higher, and even though it had a big run, I think it's going higher. I mean, the numbers just speak for itself, and spectacular numbers. I mean, if for some reason it pulls back a little bit, I mean, grab it with both hands. So on the heels of that, there are several stocks that I'm interested in. Of course, I mean, they mentioned the strengths and personal computers, and I'm looking at stocks like NVidia, which had a big run, but I think it's going higher, even though it's just sitting in an overbought territory a little bit. But I mean, on the heels of this Intel report, it has to go higher, pretty much. So I mean, remember, guys, you have to buy what's being bought and sell what's being sold, because a lot of people tell me that yeah, it's ran too much, and maybe it's time to sell, or it's been sold too much, maybe it's time to buy. No, no, this is not how it works. Okay, you need to buy what's being bought. You need to buy on the strengths, and when it ran too much, it's if you have experience, you will know when it's ran too much already. Okay, so you're looking at the RSI, you're looking at other factors, you're looking how the environment is changing. So, but you need to keep up with the activity, like if you was the buying or selling activity. That means, okay. So Intel is a buy in my book. NVIDIA is also a buy in my book, but it definitely ran a lot. So I wouldn't be buying a lot of NVIDIA, but it's a good play to it's a good stock to play up. Okay, so another stock that I'm interested in trading is Skyworks Solutions. Okay, Skyworks Solutions reported really good earnings also, and but they're being down this morning pre-market because of this Apple announcement that they will be giving a multi-year contract to AVGO or Broadcom, symbol AVGO. So they will be giving a multi-year $15 billion, I think, contract to develop their wireless components to Broadcom, symbol AVGO. Okay, so and the stock is looking really good. So it shows 52-week highs, 331. I think it will smash it today. So, but at the same time, as the Skyworks is a good company and they have their enough. I mean, they reported really good numbers, gave a very good guidance, and I think the stock, even though the stock is trading down a little bit, if it's down so much, like in the 126 area, I would grab it with both hands. Okay, so another stock that reported is Warren Buffett's favorite is AXP. It's American Express. Reported good numbers and gave good guidance. And this stock is higher pre-market. I don't know if I would trade it here because there are better financial stocks to trade in my mind. But this is a good stock. I mean, it may go higher. 52 it's trading near 52-week highs, so and it may go higher. Okay, in comparison, for example, Discover. I'm sorry, DFS reported numbers that are less than impressive. Let's put it this way. So this stock is down pre-market, and I don't like Discover. Actually, they slow to change to financial conditions, and they charge a lot of fees. I mean, American Express also charge a lot of fees, but they're more flexible financial company than Discover. And I would sell Discover if there's a chance to sell it. Okay. So another company that I'm looking at is called Atlassian Corporation. It's an IT company that reported really good numbers, and it's really higher pre-market, and that's a good company, and I would say you would trade it up, buy some calls or buy some shares. But on the smaller side, I'm interested in a company called SAEX. It's a tiny little company that just the shares rose 40% pre-market. It was trading 228, and now it's like bidding at 320 because they reported like $42 million in projects, and the whole market cap is like 8 million. So that could be an interesting trade today, and plus they reported a reduction in debt. So a very tiny company that could be interesting to trade today. Okay, another company that's up pre-market is BLDP. Shoes, it's a Ballard Power Systems. Shoes, I haven't seen any news on this company, but it's up a lot, and it was up a lot a few days ago. Yesterday it was down a lot. So it's just a good company to watch. I don't know what is happening with this company, but it's just a very active stock for some reason lately, and I will have to find out more about this. That's it, guys. That's the wrap for the day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. And I'll see you tomorrow or Monday.